state government jointly with the National Highway Authority of India, we have taken a decision that we will have a temporary alternative, and ultimately we are able to complete this Bailey Bridge. And I would like to place on record, number one, the chief engineer of the BRO. They are the one who did a fabulous job. Within 5 days' time, I think they laid this bridge, as you have all seen it. You have all witnessed it.
Dang kendiat sengi mentala pelepat ba ke jengkiang ke batamai ke belatip kum ke Bailey Bridge ke bayat lengba ke surak Shillong bypass ke badan Haduar ke suaj ha ke distrik Riboy. Nrai ha ka khadar tarik mata ubnaya yong Arhajar Arpuwei ke Deputy Commissioner jong ke distrik Riboy ke lepen mi ke hukum ban sange aswa ke jengyat kali na ke jengkiang. Namar ke jengi ia ke jengthot ha ke jengkiang. Ka jing penmi ke Deputy Commissioner ke distrik Riboy ikong RM Kurba ke hukum kalong baniada na ke jeng mensaw kinong let nong wan lengba ke jengkiang. Henry mentapat lese ke jengkap ngia ke surak ba hasor Shillong kan sejur biang kam tama ke por menmiat namar ba ke jengkiang barem Haduar suat la sya banyat tangki kali ke bakit ke jengkia ba po shpauton.
Thanks giving for I on behalf of NHAI